Good afternoon to everybody present here today. I am Alankrita, journalist at Fair Gaze, and today I am in an online interview in the presence of Mr. Yash Pundlik, who's the events head at IIT Bombay. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much.
As we all know, Eureka Junior is an entrepreneurial competition for school students of class 6 to 12. You're the best person to guide us today. So, apart from that, I'm also curious about a few questions that I'd like to ask. So, shall we begin?
Sure. Let's begin.
So the first question to you is that how was the idea of Eureka Junior born? What was the key inspiration? Please brief us concisely about what Eureka Junior is all about.
Okay, so this all started about 4 or 5 years ago. Before that, we have this flagship competition of ours, which is called Eureka. And Eureka majorly focuses on college students and professionals. And we started realizing that, there are school students who are coming to us with doubts since we're based out of Mumbai. There are a lot of schools in Mumbai who started coming to us with, can we participate in Eureka, which is, Eureka is basically a business model competition. It's similar to what Eureka Junior is, but at a more advanced stage. So, 4 or 5 years back, my seniors who were in the team then, they thought, let's do something for the school students. Let's bring out their creativity, because we started realizing that students have a lot of potential, which we're not exactly able to bring out in the right way. We thought that they have a lot of creativity and they don't have the right platform to showcase it. So that's where Eureka Junior started. In essence, Eureka Junior is a business plan competition, but what we ask from students is that they come up with startup ideas. They come up with an entrepreneurial idea, and that is exactly what we want, for them to develop that entrepreneurial mindset and for them to grow their idea inside the competition in a protected environment with mentors, with workshops, with judges, and further beyond. Obviously, there are other things, there are incubation opportunities, but the whole purpose is for them to develop their entrepreneurship mindset.
Absolutely. So, what do you think is the importance of ideation? Now that we're talking about Eureka Junior, here comes ideation. So, according to you, what is the importance of ideation? And do you think that understanding the role of excellent execution, makes it even better?
I think the role of ideation is extremely important. Even talking of when we were ideating how to go about this competition, we started realizing that there are a lot of things that you have to work upon. And the same goes for any budding entrepreneur. And given a school student, for them, what happens is they only have that idea. And working on that idea, that ideation is what is most important, not just from the perspective of this competition, but even from their future as well. And I think that having excellent knowledge of execution is definitely a big benefit, because you know where you might go wrong at some point in time, and you can make plans accordingly. You can divide your idea and your startup into the required phases, and I think that will definitely be a very big benefit for those who are ideating on new things.
Right, absolutely. So, according to you, what are the 3 skills, a thriving or an aspiring entrepreneur must possess?
Okay, so one, I think the most important is creativity. So thinking outside the box, being able to break the boundaries that we already know. And without creativity, being an entrepreneur, I feel is, incomplete in a sense. The second thing I feel is dedication. I mean, an entrepreneur can have crazy hours, they can have 0 hours a day as well. That entirely depends on how dedicated they are and how fast they want to grow themselves. So without that level of dedication, succeeding in entrepreneurship is difficult. And lastly, I feel the third most important thing is vision. You have to know what you're targeting. You have to have a clear idea of where you're going, and at least 1 year down the line, where you see yourself and where you see your venture, where you see your idea is, I think, what is extremely important. Setting targets, setting goals.
Right. So the 3 skills that you said is the creativity, dedication, and vision, right?
Vision, yeah.
Absolutely wonderful. So thank you so much, sir, for taking your time out. And I'm sure this has been something fruitful for all of us and for all the students who are connected to us. And I'm sure your words have motivated so many students out there to stick with what they believe in so that they understand the importance of ideas and so that, they keep on exploring. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for having me here. It was a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Also, I would like everyone to go take some time out and like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube. Thank you, sir.